Alright, Slime Pack Nation, y'all see the current situation we in. Rain, rain, rain. It's been raining all day since yesterday. It is currently basically 11 a.m. and I'm getting ready to cruise over here to the Love's, the little fuel section, throw some trash away, run in and get some stuff I need. Then we're gonna head to this shipper. But I'm gonna stop at the Road Rangers to do my fuel stop because fuel there is $2.81. And Prime had recommended me a fuel stop that was like 10 cents higher, but we're not doing that. I did my pre-trip, y'all. I got soaking wet because I went out there whenever the rain, okay, the rain was clear, it had stopped. Right after I had popped that hood, here come the rain pouring down harder, but we good. We got the pre-trip over with. Like I said, I'm finna go over here and get some stuff that I need before I head to the shipper. So I'll see y'all at the Road Ranger. More than likely, well, we'll talk about that while I'm over there fueling. All right, so we done made it here to the Road Ranger. About to switch to on-duty fueling. If we're gonna fill up on everything, DEF, diesel, and we're gonna fill up the trailer. Uh-oh, y'all. This is why I always double check as soon as I get to a fuel stop because I be having so many different ones. Looks like I'm at the wrong one. No, this got to be the right one. Cause this say exit 1. This was exit 1. Cause sometimes, yeah, they map gotta be off. Cause it still got me showing me at the Lowe's. Okay, yeah, we good, we good. We at the right one. Like I said, fuel is $2.81. Yeah, they got to update me. Cause I ain't there no more. Oh. I'm so tired of this rain. And I don't feel like fighting with no Chicago traffic. I hate whenever they have the DEF pump like so far back. Ooh, it's cold. Let me see if I remember the trip number. Ooh, do you wish to duh? Yes. Yes, give me y'all 3. About to get in the truck and wait. Alright, y'all, so this trip right here is the trip that's gonna take me home. My 90 is about 850 miles away. Then home is like I think 90 miles away. So I'm not just filling up for this trip, I'm also filling up to take me home. And I also like to leave a little bit of fuel left to take me to my next trip whenever I come off home time. So more than likely I'm gonna end up spending about maybe 400 in fuel. That ain't too bad. My fuel surcharge was like 300 and I think $60 something if I'm not mistaken. 363 or 373. It's one of those. All right, the pumps just stopped. I know I'm gonna have to go out here and top it off a little bit. Where we at? 131. Need a little bit more. Like this fuel right here is like yellow. The other fuel was blue. Oh, can't hang that up yet. Got to do the other side. I almost got myself. I don't know, y'all. I might not fill up on Delph. I may just get a few gallons. Okay, now I'm tired of waiting. That's at least over half. Come on, roll up. Now, time to put some in the trailer. In one of my videos, somebody asked me, like, how do you line the trailer tank up with the fuel? My trainer taught me this. Look for the landing gear. I usually put my landing gear a few inches right after the pump, or sometimes right there at the pump, and every time you be right there at it. Person that asked me that, I think they was in training. They said that their trainer told them they'll just figure it out. That's crazy. All right, we're good on that. All right, so I'm here at the shipper. I'm here editing a video, and I start to hear something like it's ice on the truck, and y'all, it's icing. Of course, y'all not gonna be able to see it, but yeah, those pieces a little thick right there. They did. Prime sent out a message. Let me see. I'm in Wisconsin, so let me go to it. It says, if y'all can read it, drivers reporting I-39 in Wisconsin getting wintry mix. Winter storm warning in effect, and roads getting slippery in that area. So yeah, my plan was to come over here, get loaded, and go back to the truck stop, and then I was gonna take off tonight. But I've been here for like 2 hours already. It was only one truck in the door, and he been left. Wow, they just started loading me finally. So we're gonna try to get up out of here as soon as I can. Y'all, sadly, it's freaking snowing. I'm just trying to get home. That's it. It is April the 2nd. When is winter going? Winter must don't never stop up north. Back at home, I think it's like 80 degrees. Sun is shining and everything, but it looks like he finally done. He should have brought some paperwork out with him. Cause man, I'm try to beat him before he knock on my door. Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing?
I'm pretty good.
What the hell's that over here?
I'm in here recording.
Can you back up? I gotta get your other lock out from your tire.
All right then. You said back up? I think just me pushing in the brakes will lift it up. Cause how I'ma back up? I'm as far in the dock as I can go. Yeah, that did the trick. All right. I'm guessing I got to go back here and look. Maybe put some low locks on. Woo. You let it snow on me.
I don't think it's going to do anything. Too damn wet for it to accumulate. What are you doing? Doing a TikTok video in there or something?
Oh, I'm a YouTuber.
What do you do?
I just do trucking content.
Oh, okay.
Just me going to pick up loads and stuff.
Listening to these damn women are making millions of dollars because all these idiots are paying them
Uh-huh.
$10, $20, $30 a month just to look at videos. Like,
And then they'll pay them that much just to look at feet. They got a foot fetish website. Crazy.
there ain't no way in hell. My money's too damn hard to come by.
They pay it.
Oh, I understand they pay it, but I just can't see it.
Me either. Where you get the paperwork from? Over here?
If you go around the building,
Uh-huh.
not this sidewalk, but there's one on the other side.
Uh-huh.
Go up and there's a buzzer that you hit, be buzzed in.
All right. Thank you, sir. Ooh, yeah. I had to take y'all off my head because I wasn't sure if it was getting rain. No. Hit the buzzer. Whew. Full of ice. They got a little driver's lounge, snacks, drinks, and coffee. Also, they got a bathroom. The bathroom, the women's, was nice and clean and it smelled good. It smelled like a bunch of plug-ins. Thank you, sir. You too. Try to get out this snow. Got paperwork in hand. All right, let's go. Oh, look at the little pictures they drew. If 900 years you want to reach safe, you must be him, I guess. Run wild, free, except on the forklift. I am not your father, but if I were, I'd say work safe. It's pretty cool. I wonder if they turn this into a little like safety competition. Oh man. Go ahead and make sure the seal match while I'm out here. Seal number 05-18295. 05-18295. 05-18295. 05-18295. do this live loaded call. Once I do this live loaded call, we getting ready to head somewhere. I don't know what's next, but yeah.
Hi, I'm Tina.
Hey Tina, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good. This is doing a live loaded call.
All right, 7-4. And what's the address that you're going to on those bills, please?
3437 East Main Street, Claremont.
All right, and the temperature on those bills, please?
-10.
And does your seal match what you have on your paperwork?
Yes, ma'am.
And what's your trailer number, please?
242021.
Alrighty, and if that temperature is circled in initials along with that address, if you are logged, you are good to go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You drive safe. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, now let's go. Y'all see this? It was clear when I came in. Now it's white now that I'm leaving out. Alright, y'all, I had to stop at a truck stop, of course Love's, to check my weight because this gauge at the back isn't working on this trailer. And luckily I checked it because I was 35 at the back. I was in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hole. Now I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I can move it up 2 more. Alright, so now I'm trying to think of a game plan. Should I keep driving? I'm trying to get out of Illinois because after that I'm in the clear. But it is currently 4:47, almost 5 o'clock. People getting off work, people trying to hurry up and get out the weather, trying to get to the store and get what they need or whatever. So it's like, should I stay parked? Should I try to fight my way through? Because I do gotta go kind of around the Chicago area. But I checked the weather. And that's what it's saying. It's just raining. The snow is supposed to come tomorrow. But let me look here. Check some more websites. Come on. That's the same website. ABC Chicago. Man, just give me something. Current conditions. Cloudy and windy. 30% chance of showers, patchy fog. Chance shower, fog, then chance of rain and snow. That's tonight. And tomorrow, 90% of rain and snow. Tonight, chance of rain before 7 p.m. Then a chance of rain and snow after 4 a.m. Patchy fog before 7 p.m. Otherwise, cloudy with a low around 35, breezy with the west wind of 15 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 40%. So, I think I may stay parked until, I don't know, y'all. I'll figure it out. And I'll tune back in with y'all. This is my clock so far. If y'all can see, I still got 10 hours 39 minutes on my 14, 8 hours on my drive clock. So I'm thinking I may just pick this back up around 8 p.m. I'm about to catch me a nap and then just start back driving. Woo, y'all, I made it out. I'm somewhere in Indiana, Indianapolis, something like that. I ended up leaving around like 9:30 last night. So right now I'm currently a total of, let me clear this off. I've been driving for like 3 hours and 40 minutes. I'm working off my 14-hour clock. I only got 4 hours and 14 minutes on my 14, and I got 5 hours on my drive. So my 14 caught up to my drive because I had already paused my clock whenever I was at that shipper earlier. Let me see. So currently we like 626 miles away from my 90. Let me cut this off, save my fuel. I plan on stopping, shutting down like in Kentucky. I think yeah, somewhere around here. I got like 2 to 3 stops lined up in case one don't work out. I got a backup, and then I got a backup for the backup. Out of those 3, somewhere gotta work out. But right now I'm getting ready to run in here, just walk around, stretch a little bit, get my blood flowing real good, and then we're gonna hit the road again. So we probably gonna end up parking around, I'm only trying to drive at least maybe 3 more hours. I'm gonna try to stretch it as far as I can to where, you know, people are getting ready to start driving, you know, y'all first shift crew. But yeah, let's go ahead in here in this Lowe's and just walk around. Yeah, this truck is dirty. They need to clean up out here. Morning. I already done had my coffee this morning, so I'm good. I do want some orange juice. That's the only one they got is Minute Maid. Oh, maybe I should use the bathroom first. Yeah, let me use the bathroom first. Just like that, we back out. It is windy. Make sure my lights is working at the back. Anytime my mind tells me to do something, it's like, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay. Now look at how far back I had to slide the tandem. We in the we're in the 14th hole. Cool. I was in there only 13 minutes. Now, I think the next time I pick up the camera, I'll probably be parking and into this drive shift. All right, Slime Pack Nation, we just parked. It is 4:58, and this right here was my second backup plan. My first plan, I'm telling you y'all, it wasn't no parking, wasn't even no room for creative parking. So I stopped here. I seen some spots. I was like, let me go ahead and take it before my next spot be a no-go. But this is a TA. I looked it up before I came here. I really don't like TAs because their showers be trash, but I looked in the trucker pal, their showers is newly renovated. So Let me see. Show y'all real quick. Actually, they said the whole TA is, but I haven't been inside. They do got a Charlie's in here. Let me go to the pictures real quick. Like, look at that. That's modern right there. I think I got some rewards points for a TA. Okay, yeah, look at the hardwood floors. Yeah, this is pretty nice. But anyway, I'm getting ready to finish my post trip. Thank y'all for following me on this journey today. We'll pick this up on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.